Easy, no drug, no injection.
Something that we don't know how to prescribe tablet, so they come for acupuncture to help the body harmonize.
Hey guys, Philip James coming to you from Sunday Market in Chiang Mai. And you'll see behind me this massage station. And these little massage stations are set up all around the market. You can't beat them. Super relaxing massage for an hour and about $3. But in this episode, I want to talk about chronic pain and some healers that I have discovered in Chiang Mai that have been really helpful. For example, I had frozen shoulder and my US doctor was recommending surgery. And instead I deferred to my healing, I call it my healing team in Chiang Mai. And within about 3 weeks, they had worked through that frozen shoulder, which had followed me around for 18 months and was severely painful. I couldn't sleep. It was disrupting all of my exercise routine, but we worked through it. And more recently, I had the same thing going on with my hip. And you know, these aches and pains may be due to age or playing sports or autoimmune disease or other issues that I'll speak about in a later episode. But in this episode, I want to keep it light and introduce you to 3 of my favorite body healers that I will come to Chiang Mai in particular just to visit.
This vibration therapy, we adjust the spine, this lumbar spine has the problem. Vibration can adjust your spine, the lumbar spine, number 4, number 5, and S1.
So here we are, body treatment in Chiang Mai, and this treatment is vibration treatment by Ricardo. Hola.
Hola, hola.
And this works by vibrating the joint. He's going to tell you more about it. But he says one common mistake that doctors will make, say you have a frozen shoulder or hurt shoulder, they'll treat the area. Whereas he says usually the problem is in the spine.
I'm happy to see my friend Filippo.
Yes. And Ricardo speaks a little bit of Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Un poquito.
Pero todo está bien.
Yeah, the man. Your body have the problem on your spine and hip. We adjust, come back. Everything take them out. Short time, easy. No drug, no injection. You okay?
Sounds good to me. Okay, right, so let's do this.
Okay, thank you. All body covered by the nerve root from the spine. The nerve root cover the work, the muscle, and the bone. If nerve cannot work, you have the problem, the bone and muscle and tendon, the problem. If same you have the your back, you pain, and you tie nerve root the cover here. He cannot work 100%. Maybe he work about 70 and 80%. You have the problem there. This machine, this is my idea. This is my idea. I think before I use activator. This slowly can be adjust slowly, and we have the problem with my hand. We think this is the new idea. We use the vibrator, everything easy, and the safety in my hand, the safety in my power.
Your wrist hurts?
No, sir. We safety safety. This vibration. He vibration. Vibration. It's a safety. Long time. I'm work all day. A lot of people come here.
How many people?
About 30 people for the day. Every day.
How old?
64 years old. This is my old.
Good fitness.
Yeah, okay. 64 years ago. The fitness, I think you go and walk and run and bike. It's better. We make from the spine only. You know, spine. All body have the problem. I think everything the problem from the spine. If you have your hand, you have problem from here. You're not here. You're here. Maybe 20% from here, 80% from the back, the spine, and in your headache, you have problem from the spine, the cervical, have the problem covered. If you serious, you hurt, you have headache, we adjust your cervical, everything came out.
That's the end of treatment. It took like 10 or 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And I feel better.
Yeah.
A little bit looser.
Okay.
How many times a week should I come back? Once, twice?
I want to see you every week. Before.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
See you all.
All right. All right.
So here's Nam home. We're at the Acupuncture, Mankala. And truly, every time I'm here, there's people from all over the world waiting to see where we're at. An amazing acupuncturist. So I'm gonna introduce you to her. I'm gonna get a little bit of treatment and then head over to my favorite masseuse, Tim. But it's all about well-being and feeling better and getting rid of the aches and pains, or the minimum, managing them. Your name?
I am Rungrat. My surname is Bavara Thisan. I'm 62 years old. Yeah, I have Chinese blood. You can see my eyes. I studied in China. I've studied in many universities, but mostly in China for Chinese medicine. I practice here since long time ago. So most of the patients who come for acupuncture, actually acupuncture is really good because of it will to clear the obstruction of the meridian, like the energy line in your body. Yeah, there are many different kinds of acupuncture specialists in the world. Some maybe just do about beauty, some maybe do about pain, but most of the patients who come to our clinic, number one is come for the problem of the spondylosis, like the cervical spondylosis that impact to the arm, to the hands, spondylosis of the lower back, and then they get a sciatic nerve problem, or the other orthopedic condition like shoulder, knee, ankle. This is seem like to be like a majority of acupuncture patient. The second group is the people who have the problems about the brain, like the stroke, post-stroke patient who need to get rehabilitation, like they could not walk, they could not move their arm, so they come for get treatment combined with the physiotherapy. This is also many of them. The other group of patients who come to my clinic, they are people who have the problems about the imbalance or the coordinations of the nerve, the hormones, and also the immune system, or the nerve and the gut system. So it shows up on many illnesses like digestive system, insomnia, irregular menstruation, infertility, things like that. Something that we don't know how to prescribe tablet, so they come for acupuncture to help the body harmonizing. Yeah. So this is my main patient of acupuncture. But our clinic also provide herbal medicine, which is tailored to the individual need, like some internal treatment. Acupuncture may be good for inflammation, for pain, for rehab. But herbs outside that you maybe can see, that is for more about the internal treatment, like infection, like for upper respiratory, for gastrointestinal, for urinary system. So what I'm gonna work for this young man, handsome man, Philip, is about his, number one is that loosening his tension of his neck area, and also work for his hip, for his energy flow. Yeah, okay, let's start.
Time for acupuncture.
Time for acupuncture. I'm gonna turn Philip to be occupied. About
All over the world.
no, we work for about 300 people. Very busy, super busy. Every day 50, 60, 60, every day for money.
But getting acupuncture done here, by far, is the best I've ever known. It's good treatment, it's so gentle. Until next time. This is Tim. Hello, Tim. Translator. Okay. So here we are in Chiang Mai. I'm about ready to have a Thai massage by Tim, who works on me all the time, at least twice a week. And he's so good. He just works out my IT band, neck, all these tight kinks that just follow me around. So let's check it out. This part is tight.
Okay.
My IT band is so tight,
Oh,
but it's good.
yeah.
The therapy,
Yes, therapy.
good therapy.
ถ้าสมมติว่าเขามานวดแบบนี้แล้วแบบเขาไปที่ยิมได้ไหมพี่หรือว่า How was your feeling?
So he's on my IT band.
Is it harder or softer?
It's perfect.
Okay.
However, like I talk about like Thai massage, and when I come here, it's not really for 100% comfort because I really want to get my IT band loosened up. So I tell Tim to kind of dig into those. What is the benefit of massage?
แล้วประโยชน์ของการนวดคืออะไรคะ Benefit it means ประโยชน์ของการนวดแล้วได้อะไรประมาณเนี้ย
ทำให้เลือดลมในร่างกายไหลเวียนดี
เลือดลมเลยเหรอhe say that the blood pressure the blood it's good when you get breathe and then we feel relaxed and then spread out so they have พี่ที่นี่เปิดปิดกี่โมงเหรอ Okay. He said that good blood, like circulation. Did you know that word? Yes. When we get massage.
Yeah, I always sleep with it.
คนที่เครียดนั้นที่อยู่ร้านทองมันคนที่เครียดมันนวดเท้านอนไม่หลับ สามารถนวดเท้าไปกลับไปช่วยได้
แค่นวดเท้าเนี่ยเหรอคะ
การเท้ามีจุดหลับ
Oh, okay. He told me about like about the foot massage. When we can't sleep at night, we should get foot massage and then
Oh.
it might be good for
Sleep
sleep.
better.
Yes, หรือว่าอย่างงี้
นี่จะหนักกว่า
He said that your leg, right? Your leg this side is harder than other side. This side.
Really?
เพราะอะไรคะพี่เป็นเพราะอะไร250 for 1 hour
เป็น2 ชั่วโมงก็ลดมากกว่า
จาก250เหลือ
250แล้วถ้าเกิด2 ชั่วโมง500เราก็จะลดให้50
อ๋อ อ๋อ โอเค but if you want 2 hours they're gonna be discount 50 baht the total is 450
I think I see.
อ่า
Easy. No drug, no injection.
Something that we don't know how to prescribe tablet, so they come for acupuncture to help the body harmonize.
อืม